All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to work on our door striker. On the driver's side, it is frozen in place. So I'm going to show you how to get a stubborn door striker out. So let's get to it.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say.
Now I'm going to try to record this. We need to get this out, and it won't come out. So we're going to have to torch these things. Yeah. Got him. Now we gotta let this cool down before we can do anything, because otherwise I'm gonna burn the fuck out of myself. But that's what you do when you have stubborn latches that won't come off. You torch them if WD-40 doesn't work, and you use the proper size bit size. It makes a big difference. But yeah, that was stubborn. I mean, you saw how much I had to heat it.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the